Hello, beautiful family, lovers of good things, lovers of important personnel all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you so much for always supporting this platform. I really appreciate. So today I have a wonderful update too that I want to share with you. The first one is about Muhammadu Buhari visiting to Imo State. And do you know what? Russia's market, they dismantle everything, like destroying everything, because they want Muhammadu Buhari to see the beauty of the community. I said, shoo. It is so surprising. Muhammadu Buhari will be visiting Imo State on 13th of September 2022. That is the same day that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be appearing in court. That is tomorrow. So Muhammadu Buhari said to visit Imo State, and the governor there is trying to put things in order, like trying to please Muhammadu Buhari and displease his own people by destroying all the attachment markets, saying that Muhammadu Buhari will be coming and they want the road to be so clean. You can imagine the rate of hypocrisy. Imagine businessmen and businesswomen are just crying. So I just want to leave the video for you to watch it, and I will be right back so we'll talk about it more better.
Rochas market abịakwa nnọọ chụọ ndị mmadụ pịakashịa shọpụ ha na-achọzikwe ka ha nọ na shọpụ. Ka ihe ndị mmadụ ga-eme, ele ihe ndị mmadụ na-aga ime ugbu a. Lekwe many people dị ga-akwa nwekwa ihe ndị mmadụ ga-eme. Lekwe many people ahịa ha na side. Lekwe ya ọrụ aka gọvanọ anyị, gọvanọ ndị ekwe ndị eji ma polisi ma amị anyị na-achọ igbuchi onwe anyị. No peace for the wicked. Ọ ga-adịrị ha na mma. Lekwe ihe mere shop ndị mmadụ turn ya upside down. Ka megata na Rochas market after akwa akụma gị nweta Rochas market. Ebe nke a na-eme ihe ndị na-ahụ na shop ndị mmadụ ekpufichiri. Ọ bụ ihe a na-ahụ na Biafreland. Ekwe ya ebe a. Nna ya gọnụ m akwa ahụ aga m ewere nne ya nụ wanye m ya. Nọ na field ahụ. Yes. Ekwe na ihe mere no shop ndị mmadụ kwa ha ihe a na-ahụ n'Imo steeti. Ihe a na-ahụ n'Imo steeti ndị mmadụ bụzi aka n'isi. A na-achọ otu esi survive. A na-asị ka oshi ka ọ na-adịkwu high. Nke mega na olekwa ha ka na-destroy ihe ebe ahụ. Mega taa o. Ekwa ha o. Ebe ha pakịrị van ha. Ma ndị polisi ma ndị amị ma ndị task force. Ọrụ aka Imo steeti Hope Uzodimma. Ọrụ aka ya o. Ọrụ aka ya. This is what is happening. I'm reporting from
You can imagine what is going on right now. So my wonderful family, without not wasting much of your time, this is the second one that I want to share with you. You can imagine the rate of Nigeria uniform men exposing themselves, because if you listen so clearly or attentively to this interview, you will know that there is too much foul play. In fact, they need professionals to do this job, because what they did here A baby of 2-year-old, 5 years old can just easily detect the force and the game played. They should have sit up and bring someone more better than this man they use, because this man claim his Eastern Security Network, and when you see the interview you will just know that this is a game plan. The man said they brought me here to come and say I am Eastern Security Network. Can you imagine? For how long are we going to continue like this? So let me leave the video for you to watch it, and I will be right back.
What is your name?
My name is Victor Tochukwu Akamma.
Where are you from?
I'm from Ďìñģ. Where is Deke?
Good. What brought you here?
They brought me because of the ESN.
What is ESN?
ESN mean unknown gunmen.
What are you people doing? What do they know? What are they known for?
They're known for killing people.
Who and who have they been killing?
They killing police, army, with saboteurs.
Who are the saboteurs?
Saboteurs is our brothers. I'm saboteurs.
Okay, that means you people declare war in Imo State and other places, you know.
Yes, sir.
Who is your leaders? Who are your sponsors?
We get sponsors like Agunsi. Is our sponsor. Uguaroso is our sponsor.
Agushi is from where?
It's from Ďìñģ.
Where in Ďìñģ?
Ahaba. Ďìñģ.
What is his real name? What is the real name of Agushi?
Agunsi, that is the normal name where we take now is Agunsi.
Who again is your sponsor?
Uguaroso.
What is his real name?
I know myself Uguaroso. From Hokada Ďìñģ.
What do they do for a living?
They don't do anything for their living.
What is their handwork?
The handwork is our coordinators that in Imo State.
Coordinators of what?
Of ESN.
So what are you people struggling for? Tell me, let me know.
They are struggling with for Biafra.
Biafra?
Yes.
And struggling for Biafra means killing police, killing army and other security agencies, including your own brothers.
Yes.
How many times have they been involved in kidnapping? Tell me.
So I didn't hear you very well.
How many times have people been involved in kidnapping and armed robbery?
Kidnapping, armed robbery.
Yes.
By Israel.
By, catching people, keeping them hostage, asking their people to bring money.
No, I will them at Rolakam, but Muhammad Zegahan Nego. That's the problem.
You are a member of ESN.
I'm a member of high POB.
Talk to me now.
At the ESN.
Now, how many times have you killed? How many times have people killed?
They kill me. They kill every day.
Your members kill every day.
Yes.
You, how many times have you killed?
Sir, we are the information what they give them.
You are the informant.
Yes.
Okay, you are the person who gives information to your gang when police and army are coming.
Yes, yes.
Sit down very well now. Sit down very well.
Come on, carry your leg on.
Now, are you married?
Yes.
What is the name of your wife?
Chisom.
You have children?
Yes.
If your family are killed like that, will you be happy?
No, sir.
Do you know that?
Wonders shall never end. When we thought we have seen it all, we never knew that we've not started. So I wonder why they refused to end the interview in a proper way, so that people will at least understand the game more better. So please share this video, subscribe, and I'll be right back.